North East Democratic Alliance mate thi hek pen NEDA angbong kachiton tiang thek ke klang ajok non ke wangji General Assembly election Meghalaya along BJP atumta thurvet popura Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ke pangdak pon Birta kinang sot arju ikha Election Commission of India hin pen non ke pado ponji North East along ria lok ke thom along ri along Assembly General Election ke pado ponji aphan apor hot pontang lo ke thoma long ri amen lake Nagaland Tripura lapen Meghalaya rong ri hello bonda esona birta alam rachari BJP asong atum pen ni hang ni rep along ri alo pidong apu kapache sakji aphan pura ke damtang suri hinira kretrok aningkan aro cheklo niphai ingkora player ni North East Democratic Alliance pu isi asong pahachelo bangso NEDA pu asong along convener angkhoi along Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma phansi labangsong hoi pajer ponlo Labangso ningkan ke wangji thang chiklo ni phai ingkora troxia ni Meghalaya along ri abangke NEDA pen pajir popelo athe nona phurun Meghalaya long BJP inutvetsi kilik achatai long pathu ponpo lason si Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangmata inutvetsi kilik kachedan ponji aning ke hangdo ni hang ni rep along ri alo Congress achithe pawanglong le pamisi Congress pen asong kaprik doan pangrum pangsomsi racharia warsai ke pathuji aphan Chief Minister Sarma kahimanamang pejo pen ave bom tanglo Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ke pachini ponalam the lapuson helo songawai kang NEDA angbong Meghalaya tumke kachini damave laso penachok NEDA pen kachirap ave pin pen BJP asong det kilikalong ke pathu ponji alam the long pon Laso tingsi National Democratic Progressive Party mate NDPP lapen BJP angbong kachingwai chekroi tanglo Nagaland General Assembly kilik aphan BJP asong atum banging koi lapen NDPP pu asong atum inghoi plikep along chepate dunpo labangsong hoya tingsi non kewangji Assembly election along pathu ponpo bangsolam Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen klardagalam the peklang ponlo Laso ting pen jongsi langdam pulote NEDA angbong kachiton tiang thek Meghalaya long klang roklo kalima kicheng sialam the dung lake Citizenship Amendment Act adon thuang deng lake Meghalaya pen ahoilam the tahai North East awai kang along Citizenship Amendment Act kidip thip aputhak Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma abangke mentuni penta kroi un e binong bangso puthak Meghalaya Assembly amai long pen amat kideng pontang alamdu CAA lapen ahoya puthak alam pen desemet BJP asong pen NPP angbong kache hello abangke nangdo tahailo News Desk report Karbinglong Live